So hello everyone, today I'll be making a special video on Nagaland Staff Selection Board. So as you have already seen in the news, the Nagaland Staff Selection Commission office was inaugurated this week, and it will be in operation very soon. So the news is that in the next coming week, the notification will be out for NSSB post for grade 3 and 4, which will have a separate exam. So the Chief Minister Nifiru has already inaugurated the NSSB office, which is below NBSE office, and the official website is also launched for NSSB, and you can go through this by going to nssb.gov.in, so you can access the website. So since the website has already been operationalized, and the post will also be advertised very soon, so the news is that it will be updated in the next week. So more than 100 plus posts will be advertised under NSSB for grade 3 and 4, which will cover LDA and various other posts that are not under NBSE. So itu advertisement to next week all over. So to help you in the preparation, the group is launching an NSSB Crash Course, which is called Aspirant Circle, and it is only 4,899, and this will be 1 month crash course, as the exams is likely to be held this year. And if you want only materials, the materials is only 3,000 rupees. And if you want a glimpse of what the materials will be, I'll be providing in the video below. So for Nagaland, it will be provided in pointer wise, which will be very beneficial for exam purposes, and you can also go through this in last minute preparation. Regarding the science will be taught in MCQ format. So for example, a question will be given and option will be provided, and answer will also be provided, and at the same time you will be provided with an explanation in the science. So for example, the pH value of human blood is 7.4, so the material will during the explanation, the material will be MCQ wise. However, I'll be teaching in MCQ format. The real material will be provided in pointer wise, and while explaining, it will be explained in MCQ format. For example, like this: which of the following pair is not correctly matched? So answer is tachyometer, and example will also be provided. So it is just MCQ format. It will be taught in MCQ format in online class. So regarding the history portion, ancient history, it will consist of ancient, modern, and medieval. So it will be provided in pointer wise, which is prepared by the various tutors who have qualified NBSE exam. So next is this general science. So general science material will be provided in pointer wise, which will be very beneficial for your preparation. But during the online class, I'll be teaching in MCQ format. So along with the pointer wise, you can follow with the MCQ format also. And in the class, I'll be explaining in MCQ because exams will come in MCQ format. So it is better to know how to tackle the MCQ, and along with your materials, you can prepare and crack the exam. So CZ will be like this. In maths, the materials will consist of the syllabus that is contained in NSSB notification, and it will be provided like this. And this is geography. Geography will also consist of point wise. And next is computer. So computer comprises of nearly 100 marks, yes, and it will consist majority of the exam NSSB. So a due diligence has been given for computer portion. So computer material will also be provided in the course, and also a computer will be taught in the course. So these are some of the computer notes which you'll be getting if you register in the course. So with this, the video has come to an end. This video is provided to help you in your NSSB preparation, and if you're interested in the course, you can register in Aspirant Circle. The Telegram channel will be provided in the link provided, and you can contact in this number at 415039823823 if you are interested in the course. So thank you all for watching, and all the best for your exams. The notification will be out very soon. Thank you.